So one of the reasons why this conflict with Israel and Iran is so crucial and can really jeopardize the US economy and especially the US housing market is because of the energy inflation. The Middle East is a mass producer of oil. And so with us going into war with Iran, oil prices are going to skyrocket, which means energy prices skyrocket, transportation skyrockets. That's going to cause inflation to rise. And so that fear of inflation rising back up over 3% de-incentivizes any investor from going and moving their money into bonds. Instead, they're putting the money into gold. And so it's pretty scary to think that what was once known as the best investment, buying bonds and a way to hedge your portfolio, is now being looked at as a major risk. And so if we don't see that behavior where we go to war with Iran and money doesn't get moved into the bond market, causing rates to drop, and you see investors moving their money out of the bonds, causing rates to actually skyrocket, the housing market and the mortgage market are absolutely in trouble. And so what you need to do to protect yourself is you need to take advantage when there is that short-term window. In 2022, that window lasted 2 weeks, where the 10-year dropped to almost 3.8% and mortgage rates were sitting at about 5.5% for FHA and VA. And so you have to be prepared for that window of opportunity and rates to come down. You need to refinance, or if you're going to buy, you need to buy at that point. If you need to make a move by sell and buy, you need to do it within that short window. Because as soon as that window closes and investors get their money out of the bonds or start to move their money elsewhere into a different safe haven, whether it's gold, whether it's crypto, whether it's investing in another country's bond market, at that point, you're SOL, because the inflation, the energy inflation is going to kick. Inflation will tick back over 3%, and now the federal fund rate will actually have to increase. And while we're all waiting for Jerome Powell to decrease rates, this could absolutely jeopardize everything that we've done over the past 4 years to get inflation under control. So you let me know how you think this potential global conflict is going to affect the mortgage market and the real estate market.